Hello and welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you how to clone a VirtualBox virtual machine step by step. Cloning a virtual machine is useful when you need an exact copy of an existing system without reinstalling the operating system or software. This method works for Windows, Linux, and other operating systems installed in VirtualBox. Before starting, make sure the virtual machine you want to clone is completely powered off. Do not pause it or save its state. The virtual machine must be in the powered off state to avoid any issues during the cloning process. Now open Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. From the list of virtual machines on the left side, select the virtual machine that you want to clone. Right-click on the selected virtual machine and click on Clone. This will open the Clone Virtual Machine wizard. In the Name field, enter a new name for the clone virtual machine so you can easily identify it. You can keep the default location or choose a different folder if you want to store the clone in another location. Next, you are asked to choose the clone type. Select Full Clone. A full clone creates a completely independent copy of the virtual machine with its own virtual disk, which is the recommended and safest option. Now choose the snapshot option. Select Current Machine State. This will clone the virtual machine exactly as it is at this moment. Review the settings shown on the screen. If everything looks correct, click Finish to start the cloning process. VirtualBox will now begin creating the clone. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of the virtual disk and your system's performance. Once the cloning process is complete, a new virtual machine will appear in the VirtualBox list with the name you selected earlier. Select the clone virtual machine and click Start. The operating system will boot normally, just like the original virtual machine. You now have a fully working clone virtual machine. The clone VM is completely independent, changes made in it will not affect the original one, and it uses its own disk space. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.